Welcome to our DoXpert demonstration. After you log into the application, you will see the user dashboard. This is where all the relevant information pertaining to data created by the user is displayed. This can include documents, clauses, questions, or reports. The application supports role-based management, meaning access to information can be restricted by user and users will only be able to access information that pertains to them. Now let's see how the application looks. Here you can see we are in the clauses screen. This screen, as well as the others, have a filter header section and the list below it. The user first needs to choose which data they would like to work with. He or she can choose all the data pertaining to the document they are working with. The user interface is also configurable, which makes it easy for the user to manipulate how their interface is set up. Here we are not interested in seeing objects or title, but do want to see modification date. It is simple to drag and drop to set up the interface how the user prefers. Now we can see the details screen with the same format of the header section and the related data sections below. As you can see, the application supports the rich text editor, and all of the well-known and frequently used features are available within these editors. Now let's create a document. This screen is similar to the one we saw before, but also a bit different. This screen is reconfigurable just like the previous screen. When you create a document, a pop-up will appear asking you for some starter information. After you enter this starter information, you are taken to the questionnaire. The questionnaire is where you have the opportunity to determine which questions will be raised. I'm going to choose Contract Document for the category and Subcontractor Master Agreement for the subcategory. So now let's see how the questionnaire works. We enter the full name of the contractor and then click Next Question and fill in the rest of the questions. The application also supports the feature of protected fields, so if it's pre-defined, then the user can only pick from those predefined values. This keeps all documents streamlined and easy to understand. There is also a comment section where you can make comments or reminders. There is also a feature which allows you to set instructions for the user on how to fill in the questions and what impact the answer will have on the final document. We can see that if we pick yes or no, then this will alter the final output of the document. This will result in the content of the document and the layout to be different. Now we can upload our work order, and then we are taken to our last question. Here we can pick the effective date for the contract and click to verify the document. The verification step ensures the input data is correct and that a valid document can be generated. After a quick generation process, we will receive our PDF file. Now when we open the PDF file, we can see that the red bold sections and the table are from our inputs. The rest of the document is defined by the application and cannot be altered for security and uniformity. The numbering of the points in the document is automatic. If we went back and made changes, the application will automatically renumber these points. If you apply crosslinks within the document, the crosslinks will also be regenerated if changes are made. Lastly, there is a reporting feature within the application. From the dashboard, you can click Reporting, and here you can choose which data points you are looking for. Here we will filter to documents pertaining to subcontractors. You can see the ease of using the drag and drop feature to show only data which you are interested in. Now we have all the relevant information we want to see for any document that relates to subcontractors. We can also generate an XLS document if we'd like to email this report. This has been a quick overview of some of the functionality of DoXpert. For more information, please contact BlueSky at blueskygrs.com or sales@blueskygrs.com.